Hey guys, going to do a real quick video here. Was watching Marlo's Custom Leather live earlier, and he was showing Mike at Make Cutlery Great Again a pancake style knife sheath, and I mentioned that I kind of sort of made one from a ball glove. I got a lot of flack from a couple fellows at work because I destroyed a $50 glove that I picked up at a yard sale. They're ball players, and they blew a gasket when I told them I cut this glove apart. But this thing, it's got a lot of leather on it, but in the palm of the hand here, it has this piece. And I was deconstructing the glove, and I came up with this deal right here. And I said, well, what can I do with this piece? And I decided to pop the couple stitches on the end here, and I can make a knife slip out of it. This is a Rough Rider. It's kind of small for this. It completely fits inside. You have to kind of squeeze it back out. This is a mid-size Stockman. This is an old vintage one. Same thing, it fully fits inside it. You have to kind of squeeze it out. But if you have a buck 112 or 110 honey folder, it can tuck right in there, and it looks like it would eventually kind of mold to the knife and be a nice secure carry for that. And I'm going to just pin using these two holes that are already existing in there. I'll just pin this there to make some belt loops, and that's going to be kind of my pancake knife holster side draw. And yeah, I have plenty of other leather here to make something with. There's one fellow in particular that I might send this to as a gift. It won't be till after Christmas, I'm sure, before he'll get it. But I'm going to probably send this off to him, and maybe he'll actually use it. But there you go, guys. A down and dirty quick video. I'll show this on a short or something after I get it done. I could also go this way with the loops and with the just a plain, but I like this side better. But there you go, guys. Until I see you all again, please remember to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and above all, have a beautiful day. Okay, finishing up here, I went ahead and just put a quick little 2 or 3 stitches across here to stitch those straps down. And again, it'll fit like a full-size folding hunter just fine. You can, grab it out of there, or a smaller knife, and you just have to kind of squeeze it out. But that's all I'm going to do with this. I'm going to have some other projects coming up with. I think this is going to be a knife slip, and it'll say Rawlings on it, and maybe sew a couple, like this piece right here. And yeah, it's going to have holes in it, but so what? So there'll be more projects coming up, and I might even do something with this basket hinge piece here. Maybe fold it over, something like that, and make a slip out of it. Here's my Rollins side holster, pancake, whatever you want to call it, slip. Thanks, guys. Have a beautiful day.